from Qatar. I am doing my Diploma in Dietetics, Health and Nutrition, Trivandrum, VLCC. Today I am going to show you how to make some Punjabi dishes which usually they prepare for the festival Baisakhi. First of all, I would like to brief description about the Punjabi culture. Punjab is one among the smallest states of India, but this was a wide and big area before India got freedom. During the separation of India and Pakistan, some people went to Pakistan and some remained in India itself. That remained portion is today's Punjab. In 1966, October 31st, Punjab was divided into two. The another portion is named as Himachal Pradesh. Though we have a lot of religions here, Sikhism was the first of all religions in India. It was formed in the presence of Guru Nanak. Golden Temple, which is considered as a holy place of Sikh, is located in Amritsar of Punjab. Meaning of Punjab is land of five rivers. These, Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, Jhelum are those five famous rivers in Punjab. Punjabis live as a joint family and they celebrate every festivals together. They have paratha stuffed with vegetables as their breakfast. Along with this, they will drink a cup of buttermilk too. For lunch, they will have makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. And for dinner, tandoori roti and some vegetables curries. Baisakhi, Hola Mohalla, Lohri are some of the festivals in Punjab. As a part of my regional cooking practical, I choose Punjabi Thali, which is a famous dish in Baisakhi. Makki ki roti, sarson ka saag, chole masala, aloo gobi, rajma masala, jeera rice, paneer tikka, rice gheer, carrot halwa. Total calories are 1200, protein 25 gram, 51 gram fat, 160 gram carbohydrates.